Tell me not here, it needs not saying, what tune the enchantress plays, in aftermaths of soft September or under blanching Mays. For she and I were long acquainted, and I knew all her ways. On russet floors by waters idle, the pine lets fall its cone. The cuckoo shouts all day at nothing, in leafy dells alone. And travelers' joys beguiles in autumn hearts that have lost their own. On acres of the seeded grasses the changing burnish heaves, or marshalled under moons of harvest stand still all night the sheaves. Or beeches strip in storms for winter and stain the wind with leaves. Possess, as I possessed a season, the countries I resign, where over elmy plains the highway would mount the hills and shine, and full of shade the pillared forest would murmur and be mine. For nature, heartless, witless nature, would neither care nor know what strangers' feet may find the meadow, and trespass there and go, nor ask amid the dews of morning if they are mine or no.